You take the moon and you take the sun. You take all the kissing in the oven? You're telling me it's that easy? You're telling me that all I need to do to find someone special is to be in an oven with them? And why doesn't anybody tell me? Hey there, friends. I got a chowder reaction for you with SNIFFLEBALL. SNIFFLEBALL? Like, you know, when you sniff? Dang, he is for real. For real, son, for real. Dang, that's a double whammy right there. All right, this makes me feel much better after seeing like the dish like kiss each other right there. Like, I feel so much better now. Thank you, Chowder. Thank you.
Wow, Chowder, you did it again.
Oh?
You are the best chef in the world.
Oh man, he is so me.
Without you, Mrs. Cookpot and Mr.
This is me
Spoon,
talking to the
and
rocks
Mr.
underwater.
Toasty, and Lady Rolling Pin and
Dang.
Dame Spatula and Captain Fridge.
Captain
and
Fridge
Small
as
Flour
well?
Sack, and Mr. Lard Valve,
Dang.
and Cup,
Your kitchen?
and Timer. You guys are the best friends a kid could ask for.
Yeah. He literally got the whole kitchen. Everyone is here. This is literally the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate version of the kitchenware. He's got everybody. He's got Senor Flour Sack over here. When you get Captain Fridge and Senor Flour Sack over here, oh my goodness, it's a party.
I love you all.
Chowder, when's the last time you went outside?
Did he ever go outside? He is so me.
Much better. It's a perfect day to get out of the kitchen.
Are you
Wouldn't
telling him to
agree,
touch
Chowder?
grass?
It's the perfect day to get out of the kitchen. Wouldn't you agree, Chowder?
It is literally a mood. Wait, why is that bunny looking over there like, but it is literally true. Who wants to go outside these days? Do you know it is baking outside? Well, at the time of this reaction, there is a heat wave going on, and woo, it is hot to the point that I am boiling underwater. The water is supposed to be cool, but man, am I boiling. I feel sorry for all the humans outside of the water, but oh my goodness, it's hot. Who wants to go outside?
Chowder, I understand the allure of pots and pans, but it's just not natural. A kid
Oh,
needs to
pots and
interact
pans.
with
Ooh.
other kids.
I love that guy doesn't care. Oh. Dang!
Get back here. Boy, I'm too old for this.
Did it stretch out so much? I was gonna say this episode is giving me everything I want. We got the backflip, we got the sun, and now we got this guy, and it's giving like the energy. It's like woo! It's giving me the free energy I need right now. I don't know why I started the whole for free thing, but I can't stop. Like,
All right,
oh.
settle down.
Did they got gloves on their heads?
Look at all the kids playing SNIFFLEBALL.
Wait,
Doesn't that look like fun?
hold on a second. He's right though.
In fact, this is the perfect place for you to make new non-utensil friends.
Oh.
I'm putting you down.
New
now.
friends that aren't
Don't you
utensils
even think
though?
about
Dang, he dipped. Thank you, Schnitzel. Thank you. Schnitzel was ready that time. But one thing I've noticed is that, you know, they got the gloves on their heads, but the ball is green. You're telling me the SNIFFLEBALL is literally just a booger ball. I hope I'm not right, but if I am right, ew.
Thank you, Schnitzel. I'll take it from here.
We appreciate you, Schnitzel. We appreciate you.
I don't even know how to play Sniffleball.
You don't need
You
to know
sneeze.
how to play. You just need to look good playing the field. Perfect fit.
That sound
Get out there
effect.
and shake your stuff.
Oh.
Look.
Oh.
Here we go.
That is literally a sniffly booger ball. Oh. It was meant to be. Seeing a booger ball on the floor, you reach it down, Your future girlfriend shows up, you say I'm not your boyfriend. Oh my goodness, it's destiny.
Hi, Chowder. I'm not your. Don't say another word.
Who is that?
I didn't know you liked
Is
to play
that their
Sniffleball. I
Cupid?
like to play Sniffleball, too. I guess we have a lot in common.
Oh my.
Which is important if you're going to spend the rest of your life with each other, right?
Oh
You sure
my. Yummy. You look yummy in that. Also, if you look on the right, the Mung Doll's already in the crowd. I love how he looks. He just looks very out there. But dang, being told you look yummy. I mean, I've been told I look yummy myself in this soup, but that's because I'm a tuna.
Look, a monster!
Oh, there's
Hamhock?
there's an actual monster. Oh.
Shouldn't have come here, Chowder.
He was
Hi, Gorgonzola.
Gorgonzola from the Purple Nurples episode.
That's what I told Mom. You think you can just walk in here and show me up?
Wow.
Huh?
So Gorgonzola really doesn't like Chowder, seeing Chowder as a rival of sorts, and now he thinks that, oh yeah, Chowder came to this sport and now he's gonna show me up. Well, Gorgonzola, how do you play? Also, can you wear a hat with that candle on your head? Also, with that candle melting, doesn't your brain hurt?
Huh?
If I had a candle on my head,
Do you?
my head would be on fire.
Huh? Well, Sniffleball is my thing, and I worked very hard to get where I am.
Hey, bat
Sniffleball.
boy, where's my bat?
Oh, he's the bat boy. Wait, why'd you... Oh, the slide whistle. Wait, hold on a second.
Blow whistles 'cause of mother.
Wait, why aren't you... What does mother let you do? Gazpacho, what does mother let you do? But also, they used the gloves on their head to hold the bat? Do you control it with your head or whatever? Like, these are really advanced gloves over here. I thought the gloves were to catch the ball. They're also used to swing the bat? Also, why would you let a kid with a candle and an open fire near your wooden bats? You know what I mean, right?
But I figure she can't hear me.
That's an accident waiting to
You
happen.
think she can hear me, do you? Maybe I better keep it down, just in case.
How much does mother know?
Play ball.
Mother is always watching. Oh, they actually have to make the ball. Oh, what if you can't?
It's so romantic out here. Just the two of us.
There's the ball. Oh.
He's got it. Get a room. Spread out.
I thought when that kid was like, get a room, and Panini will be like, stay away, or, you know, like, oh, we will, or something like that. This show gets really crazy with the Panini and Chowder thing, because Panini's always being super flirtatious. But what if you can't, like, make a sniffle ball yourself? Like, does somebody else have to make one? Is there, like, is there someone who's just making them, like, on the off chance you can't make one?
I'll get this side.
Oh my goodness, that's a jump scare.
This side.
What? Excuse me?
Here it comes.
Oh my goodness.
Oops, we missed again. Did we?
There's a... Yeah, Chowder.
Hey, Chowder, are you ready to find out what they call me? The Zinger!
That doesn't matter right there, but oh my goodness, Mugdall, he was about to leave. Mugdall just waiting right there. This show is nuts. I was gonna talk about the guy laying down with a freaking plant on his stomach. I guess he's a tree, but still.
Throw the ball already!
I don't think Chowder said that, but okay. Thank you, subtitles. What? That's a... Wow. He got the whole crowd screaming. I have to hear this freaking Chowder, really? Oh no. Ah, the sound effect though. I keep hearing the sound effect. They really made a joke where you have to hear that sniffle ball roll across the field so slowly while Chowder misses. It's like all you hear is the whole time. It's still going. It's everybody so. Oh my God. You're telling me the zinger worked?
You're out.
Oh.
The umpire's blind.
I'm incredible.
Amazing. That was nuts.
Being out isn't so bad. Mother calls me out all the time.
Wow. Basically all I hear from Gazpacho is literally just his mother. Mother this and mother that. His mother scares me. And I'm pretty sure she's meant to be like a terrifying woman because he is terrified of her. Oh. He is so mean.
Panini keeps kissing me. There's nothing to eat. I just want to go home.
That is so true. Where's the food though?
Wants to get to home base. That's the whole point of the game.
There's a base.
Oh.
How do I get there? How do I get to the home base?
This is actually kind of nuts. Gazpacho is mixing up, so Chowder want to go home, but Gazpacho thinks he means home base and whatnot. But I love that his reasons are that, you know, Panini keeps kissing me. There is no food. I'm just glad he didn't eat the sniffle ball. Part of me thought he was going to eat the sniffle ball when he saw it. I'm glad he didn't end up eating it.
All you gotta do is whack the snot out of the ball, run around all the bases, and get back here without getting tagged.
Whoa, hold on. Hold on, I'm actually just seeing the court right now. Base, wait, I see first base is second base in the tree? I just realized that second base is in the tree. Like, first base is on the mound, but then you have to climb up that tree for second base?
You're home.
Just realized that.
Home free. So next time you're up to bat, you can give it a go.
I'm going home now.
Oh.
Going home now is also fine.
He's just gonna go again.
I'm going home. You're going down.
Yeah.
It's the singer.
Thank you, Mungdo. I mean, it's kind of gross. You got a bunch of kids going, making a bunch of noises, but it's really weird. Like, if you got a cold, you're gonna be the star player. If you got a fever, you're gonna be a star player. If you got allergies, oh, you're gonna be well loved in this game. Come on, Chowder! It hit!
It's a hit! Run, boy, run!
Go, Chowder! And they gotta pick it up and throw it too. I mean, it makes sense though. It literally is a booger ball. It's not aerodynamic. No. This is... What kind of, like, I just want to know what the writers were thinking when they were like, let's make an episode about baseball. Because you know a lot of shows have their baseball games, but instead of baseball, it's a freaking booger ball, and it doesn't move that well. It's so... Oh! He made it to first base! Yeah, you...
I made it. I'm gonna get home. Don't be excited, big boy. This is only first base.
Wait, how many?
We still have 12 more to go.
12 more bases? I saw more bases in the previous frame. Like, it just goes over the wall. Oh my, this is not your simple average baseball game, is it? Is the rainbow also leading to base too?
Then I'm
Oh my
gonna get a
goodness.
little from my friends.
Are you gonna eat everybody? I mean, that's the way to do it, right?
Easy out. What did you say?
Oh, dang, she showed him. It is up the tree.
Parents for me.
Is that... I just need to know, can you do that? Like, isn't that like, it does anything go in this game? Like using a spoon and throwing it at a Gorgonzola, isn't that considered cheating, or is that fine? Or does anything go in this game? Ooh.
It's a safe.
Underwater base is what? In the... Dang! Poor Gorgonzola. What is this Mario platforming though? Oh, no drink though. I am really, oh my goodness, what's going on here? But I am really curious about clouds though. Clouds always look so soft, but you always see like characters on the clouds. Whereas I know that if I try to go through a cloud, I will fall through. Is this a case of like, you need to have like some sort of like pure heart to be on a cloud, and if you're full of evil, you fall through the cloud? What does that mean for me? Oh!
Super safe.
What? Hold on a second! It's freaking Mario! That's so cool!
There it is.
That's awesome!
But I'm all out of kitchen utensils to help me.
Hold on, Chowder. I just want to say that, you know, they could have gone with like a pixelated animated art style, but no, they just made it in their own way. That is so freaking neat though, but why do a lot of cartoons do love Mario, don't they? I mean, it is the easiest reference to do because everybody knows Mario.
Then I guess you won't make it. Yes,
Oh.
I will. I will become the utensil.
Yeah?
Becoming stupider.
He is going... Wait, what? Was he... Did he just remove his nose? How can they do that? Oh. He is really, really going home. Chowder might win them the game, but I'm just astounded by the fact that Gorgonzola just pulled out his nose and, you know, and the booger ball replaced his nose and everything. Ew. Oh. Oh, his teeth. Oh.
He's out.
What? He was he was looking at the game.
I win! I win!
Dang, get off him.
What are you
Oh.
doing? I'm going home. But you're out. Stop.
Yeah.
I said game over.
So he's out, right? But I'm just curious now. Like, if does getting touched by the booger ball actually like put I want to know if this will count. Like, if he does end up going to home base, will he win them the game even though he is technically out?
You lose.
It's not working.
Home.
He is so me. I want to go home too. Can that work? Oh. Dang, he is so me.
Home run.
He deserved that. He really did deserve that. Oh my goodness, they did all of that just for a home run joke right there. But even though he did touch home base, did that still count? Because it did like zoom in to the like Chowder's foot touching home base, so I guess in some way it still counts. But I was expecting Chowder to like run through the door. At least he had the decency to open up the door and go through. I was expecting him to like make a hole in the door by running through it. But this was a very fun episode showing like an insane baseball episode. We've seen baseball episodes. We see how they are. They all try to add their own funny touch to it, but Chowder literally had all these crazy contraptions and whatnot. Like, You might get eaten by fish. There's one in the clam, one in the tree, one in the clouds, one in the Mario style level. 12 bases though. Can you imagine playing baseball if it had 12 bases? Imagine all 12 bases are loaded. Someone gets a home run. That's 12 points right there instead of 3 or 4, but it's nuts. But yeah, this was a very fun episode, aside from like the very obvious like nasty of like kids hacking up their throats to get the sniffle ball out. I mean, when I saw the episode named Sniffle Ball show up on the book, I'm like, wait, do they mean like the actual like sniffling ball, like with your nose? But now we know how to make the ball, and that's kind of gross. But other than that, I did enjoy this baseball episode and hope you did as well. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Would you play Sniffle Ball? I'll catch you next time.